In this video, we're talking about EVAA Protocol, token, legit or scam. Before investing on this token or coins, do your own research and let's get started. This is a DeFi super layer on Telegram. You can deposit and earn select amount and you can enjoy fast and simply lending on Tone and Telegram. You have 118 million total deposit, 300,000 unique wallets, and up to 1.4 billion transaction volume. So guys, this is a trusted fund over 2.5 million EVA. You have collab with all of this platform like Polymorph Capitals and Mayoths, and this is CMT Digital and Animoca and all of this platform. This is most popular token available like USDT. You have USD and TSON and all this token. If I scroll down, guys, you can start earning from here. This is the app. You can click next or skip the app. Just connect your wallet and you can scan this QR code and you can start using this token. You have market section, you have dashboard. You can check all this token and the highest asset here. You have the main total supply. You have main total borrow this token. This is a list of this token available here, guys. Just click connect your wallet and then you can connect Tonk Keeper wallet or wallet Telegram here. As I say, guys, total supply 15 million of this token and the max supply 15 million also of this token. I see some engage here on this community. The bullish is 87%. This token will be listed on Binance Alpha and this is upcoming on exchange list. And so guys, this is a new token. I hope make this token 4x. I expect to make 10x, and this is just expect, guys. This is not financial advice, and this is the decentralized, guys. Also I give this token 7 on 10. Maybe this huge and good project, maybe just scam. Do your own research before investing. You have a card payment integrated also. This is the app you can see here, and this is the website.